Are you looking for the top 3D scanning services in Sadar Bazar, Delhi, NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to fulfill all your scanning needs. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise in the field, Scon Design India Private Limited is the go-to company for all things 3D scanning. From small objects to large structures, they have the capability to scan anything with precision and accuracy. When it comes to top-notch 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Private Ltd is at the forefront. Their team of skilled professionals is dedicated to providing the highest quality scans that are detailed and realistic. Whether you need a small object scanned for prototyping purposes or a large structure scanned for architectural designs, Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other scanning services in Sadar Bazar, Delhi, NCR, is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that every project is unique and requires personalized attention. That's why they work closely with their clients to understand their specific requirements and deliver results that exceed expectations. With Scon Design India Private Ltd, you can expect nothing but the best. Their cutting-edge technology ensures that every scan is of the highest quality, capturing even the smallest details with precision. They use advanced software to process the scans and create 3D models that are ready to be used for various applications. Whether you are in the field of architecture, engineering, product design, or any other industry that requires 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Private Ltd is the name you can trust. Their expertise and dedication to quality make them one of the top choices in Sadar Bazar, Delhi, NCR. So why wait? Contact Scon Design India Private Ltd today and experience the top 3D scanning services in Sadar Bazar, Delhi, NCR. Are you looking for the top 3D scanning services in Sadar Bazar, Delhi, NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to provide you with the best scanning services in town. With their expertise in the field of 3D scanning, they are the go-to company for all your scanning needs. Whether you are in the automotive industry, architecture, or even the medical field, Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. Their top-notch 3D scanning services will ensure that you get accurate and detailed scans every single time. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other scanning services is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They understand that each project is unique and requires special attention. That's why they take the time to understand your requirements and tailor their services to meet your specific needs. Their team of skilled professionals uses state-of-the-art equipment and advanced scanning techniques to deliver exceptional results. You can trust them to provide you with